Hi, Philip from TW White and Sons. We've been fortunate enough to purchase this beautiful Suzuki Jimny. This is a new model, a 1.5 SZ4, all-wheel drive, finished in silver. It is 2019 on a 19 plate. Lovely little car this. It has only done 1,459 miles. I repeat, 1,459 miles. It's beautiful, this car. As new condition. And look at the condition of this spare. Unused, obviously, as you'd expect, but everything has been the condition of these seats. I don't think they've ever had anything in the back of this car. Appreciably, it's done 1,400 miles, but everything's there. Beautiful condition car, unmarked on all the trims. This is as good as it gets on one of these, as good as buying a new one. Wonderful colour as well in the silver. SZ4, decent specification with the car, and really elegant looking car. 1.5, which is an excellent engine, new engine in one of these, larger capacity than its predecessor. You've got this really hard wearing black cloth interior, door cards unmarked. Very simple car, but very efficient at what it does. Electric door mirrors there, and up above here you've got headlamp leveling. I would say where it's the two off buttons are, one is for lane departure warning system, the other one is for some sort of smart city collision avoidance support, and you got the headlamp leveling, which is really useful. You can level up the headlamps so as you don't dazzle any oncoming drivers. All new interior with one of these, beautifully finished as well. Suzuki have done a cracking job with this vehicle. Very clear instrumentation. There it is. There's an info button here that I'm pressing that will change this display. Average fuel economy 38.1. That is subjective. That all depends how you drive the car. You'll get more or less than that, but you can clearly see that 1,459 miles. Left hand side tachometer rev counter with a little, you see the blue sign there, that's temperature gauge, temperature warning light. On the right hand side you've got your speedo, and here, looking at this multi-function steering wheel, we've got the info button, which, as I just showed you, alters your fuel computer, etc. You've got a mute button here for the stereo, which comes up mute, I'm delighted to say. Stereo controls on the left hand side, and beneath this, really useful for one of these, integrated Bluetooth with which is very simple there. On the right hand side you've got your cruise control, and beyond this all your wipers are clearly marked there, and auto lights clearly marked there, with front and rear fog lamps on the inner swivel part of the stalk. You've got here DAB radio, you've got FM AM, you've got CD, traffic announcement, 6 presets per waveband. You got a tuner, and you got push the right hand button, and you've got sound. Shows you bass, treble, balance, fader. AVC is automatic volume control, where you just the volume will adjust to compensate any road or engine noise. Really good system. DAB, as I've said, FM, AM, really great. And down here, I'll just turn on the interior, these little lights here, so you can get a better view. Very simple, very functional air conditioning system here. You just turn everything to the fan speeds, hit that, your AC's on. Adjacent to it is the heated rear window. The directional controls here, very simple, common sense. If it's in this position here, it's operating between the two directions that's being asked of it. So it'll operate partially on your feet, it'll operate partially on your face and your feet, but very simple. And demist for the screen there. Here's my favorite setting, demist and on your feet. And you've got your temperature control here. recirc or taking air from the outside in. Beneath that, switches for electric windows, 12-volt power socket and a USB socket with these. Traction control, some sort of hill descent control there. 5-speed manual gearbox, which is an absolute delight to use. Very, very simple. And you've got your 2 and 4-wheel drive selector. Glad to see this has got 4 low as well. Ideal for sort of really tough, challenging off-road work. It's a beautifully styled vehicle, this new Jimny, and I have to be honest, really, really impressed with the finish of this car. For the money, it is outstanding. It's one of these cars that is very functional, very reliable, and will last you years, and a real find for us with only 1,459 miles. It will come with a year's minimum Suzuki warranty. It will be going through our workshop for a 101 point used car check, but it is as new. Let's just check the back there. You see, nobody's ever sat in the back here. Wonderful vehicle. There it is, the new Suzuki Jimny 1.5 SZ4 in silver, 1,459 fully warranted miles, with service history, with spare key, with books, etc. If you want to find out more about this car, or indeed any of our other SUVs, on our website, please look at our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.